welcome back to my channel. This is Dhanvi. Today I'm gonna be making two dishes. One is a sweet sandwich that's for Sankranti and the other is a savory sandwich. So let's start. The base for both the sandwiches is chapati. The other ingredients are roasted peanuts, grated and roasted coconut, roasted sesame seeds, 4 spoons melted ghee, 4 spoons jaggery powder and a pinch of cardamom powder. Now let's cut the chapati till the center. The next step is to spread the ghee and the jaggery mixture. After we're done applying the mixture, we'll sprinkle some sesame seeds. After we are done sprinkling the sesame seeds, to the second quarter of the chapati, we'll add some coconut. Then to the third quarter, we'll add some peanuts. Now let's slowly fold it to quarters. Now let's keep it aside. Later we'll grill the savory and the sweet sandwich together. The ingredients for savory sandwich is chapati, corn and onion, capsicum and carrot, cheese and pizza pasta sauce. Now let's get started. We'll cut the chapati until the center as we did for the sweet sandwich. Now let's start by spreading the sauce. Once we spread the sauce, we'll sprinkle some mixed herbs. After we sprinkle some mixed herbs, to the second quarter of the chapati, add some carrot and capsicum. To the third quarter, we'll add some onion and corn. To the fourth quarter, we'll add some cheese. After we add cheese, we'll add some cheese all over the vegetables. Let the grill heat up and then add some butter. Once we add butter, add both the sandwiches. Once we add both the sandwiches, close the grill and let it grill for some time. We'll also add some butter on top. And now we'll close the grill. Once done, we'll cut and serve it. If you like this recipe,